Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. Give us a big thumbs up on today's video. We have some interesting things going on with in-game marketing, and this is going to be our introduction to Next Level Acoustics. This is a made in America brand, and I know Chris Ann with In-Game is going to talk a lot about these products. So without further ado, right after the intro, we'll get into that. And welcome back. Chris Ann, thank you for joining us today. If you want to, just give us a quick walkthrough on some of the products with Next Level and tell us some unique features that stand out above the competition.
I would love to. So Next Level Acoustic is a company completely based in the US. All the speakers are designed and built here, and they are a pioneer in the soundbar industry, including soundbars for Sonos enclosures. So a lot of the manufacturers have different options in terms of what they could do for soundbar for customization, but Next Level Acoustics really takes it to the next level. They have fantastic driver designs from Europe, and they specialize in the custom finishes and fit for any type of job. They also are famous for their the Samsung frame for the new version and the old version of it, and they can come in different finishes. The soundbars can be done in either an LCR, a center channel only, or a stereo version, depending on what the integrator wants. They are very well built. They're very heavy. They have multiple different designs for mounting options, and their support and their team and even the owner, they are amazing. They want to help the integrator, and they want to help the customer all the way through and through. I highly recommend listening to them. That's the best way to get the best experience from them. But they will make everything work amazing for the home decor.
Gotcha.
So definitely, if you have an opportunity to check it out, it's really cool stuff.
Yeah, I know a lot of our customers that have the frame Samsung TV. I mean, you can get these to match the finish around the bezel. I mean, these things look super sleek, and if you want to improve the TV sound, you know, what better way than to get something that's going to look awesome and sound phenomenal. So thanks again, Chris Ann.
You're most welcome.
Again, if you guys would like to purchase anything you see on our channel, make sure you reach out and show your support. That's going to wrap it up for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. We'll catch you in the next one.